Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to discuss about the infertility and ART. ART means assisted reproductive technology. First, we are going to focus the infertility. Infertility means inability to conceive or otherwise produce the children even after the unprotected sexual cohabitation. That is called infertility. So, without the use of the birth control or contraceptive methods, so after that sexual contact also there is no result, there is no pregnancy, there is no production of children in the sense that is called as infertility. The inability of the man to produce the sufficient number or quality of the sperm to pregnant the woman, or it may be the inability of the woman to become a pregnant, or after pregnancy also can't maintain the pregnancy. So this may be a reason for the infertility. Now we are going to focus the causes for infertility. The tumors formed in the pituitary gland or the reproductive organs, it may be the reason for infertility. Then mutation of the genes, sudden changes in the genes can responsible for the biosynthesis of sex hormones. So the sex hormones are failed to synthesis, and malformation of the cervix or fallopian tubes. So this is the reason for the infertility in females. Inadequate nutrition before the adulthood, so it also causes the infertility. Long-term stresses, the stress condition may damage the many aspects of the health, especially the menstrual cycle for women. And ingestion of the toxin, heavy metals like cadmium, so intake of the more heavy metals, it leads to infertility. Heavy use of the alcohol, tobacco, drug usage, so these are the reason for the infertility. Injuries of the gonads, ovary or testa may affected by any accident, and aging is also one of the important factor for the infertility. So above 30 it reduces the chances for the fertility, and underdeveloped gonads like ovaries or testes, so it is also one of the reason for the infertility. For females, the pelvic inflammatory diseases, that is PID. So already we discussed about the sexually transmitted diseases. So the the reproductive organs will be affected by some of the bacteria, virus, like some other microorganism. So it also causes the infertility. Uterine fibroids. Uterine fibroids means some of the growth. Tumor like a non-cancerous growth will occur in the reproductive organs of the female. And endometriosis. Endometrium is the inner lining tissue of the uterus. But endometriosis means the endometrium lining will be above outside of the uterus. So it may occur present in the fallopian tube or in the ovaries. So this is the endometriosis. So these are the most common causes of the infertility in women. Anorexia is one of the psychotic eating disorder for some of the women. So they have a fear of gaining weight, so that their body have a low body fat. So this is one of the reason for the infertility. In some of the females, immune system may develop the antibodies against the sperm. So usually the immune system will develop the antibodies against the foreign particles. It may be any microorganism, pathogenic microorganism, bacteria, virus, like that. But in some of the females, the immune system will think as the sperm as a foreign particle. So they can produce the antibodies against the sperm. All women are born with ovaries, they have a gonads, but some of the women they don't have the functional uterus. So this condition is called as a Mayer-Rokitansky syndrome. So they can't maintain the pregnancy. So these are the causes for infertility in females. Now we are going to focus the causes of infertility in man. The first one is undescended testes. So usually the testes will be located inside the scrotal bag. Then only they can produce the effective sperm. But in some of the persons, so mostly commonly it will occur in a premature babies. So the testis is not inside the scrotum bag. So this is the undescended testis. And the second one, varicocele. Varicocele means the veins will be swollen in the scrotum. Generally, the sperm need the temperature is below than the body temperature so that the scrotum bag will be hanging outside of the body. So the tight clothing in man may can raise the temperature in the scrotum, so it affect the sperm production. And some of the males, they can develop the autoimmune response to their own sperm. So the immune system will develop the antibodies against the foreign microorganism. But in some of the males, the body will develop the antibodies against their own sperm, so it will spoil the sperm. So these are the reason for the causes of infertility in males. Infertility means the inability to produce the children. So we discussed the causes of infertility for both male and female. But nowadays, many assisted reproductive technologies will develop to achieve the pregnancy. So these collection of procedures will help to increase the chances of pregnancy in infertile couples. Thank you.